action.
Hey, what are you doing?
I don't know. Computer stuff?
Oh. What are buckles for?
What do you think they're for?
This?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, wow.
But seriously, what are buckles for?
Your belt. You know, that's the sort of name that are given when it's called a belt buckle. Belt buckle. Which one is that?
Blue Robin's supposed to be like that.
Ah,
What are batteries for?
things that use them.
Oh,
Somebody go get me some A and B cord whatever things. Positive and negative, that's what it's called. And a battery. No, a light bulb. Light bulb works. That's a glue gun. And you're missing the glue.
That's my tiny little gun. Oh.
If you want glue, the glue is in that drawer that's sort of open right there. Yep. See it? You sort of. Oh, okay, okay. Walking away. She plugged it in. I'll stay here at a safe distance. It'll take like a minute or two.
Who took my cookies?
You're so stupid. You're stupid. Oh my gosh, bubble wrap! Bubble wrap! Not popping!
Oh, gotta get another one.
Huh.
You're so tiny.
Damn it, it won't pop. I mean, darn. Just adjust it. A little more. A little more. That sounds so wrong. It won't fit.
Look, it's too tiny. I like big ones.
Doesn't it smell good? Put it down. Before you hurt someone on purpose or accident, which was most likely purpose, but you call it an accident. What is that?
An egg.
A glass egg.
Yeah.
Those are my fireworks. Those are my sparkler fireworks. Don't touch my spark. No, don't touch my sparkler. Don't. That's my sparkler. Don't make me stand up and go grab that giant fork knife thing.
Superman.
But that's the bronze one. Go get the silver one.
Superman. Dun, dun, dun.
Upside down.
Dun, dun, dun. Alright, bye.
Bye.